Flying Hammock Drone. The Flying Hammock Drone is an innovative and unconventional concept that uses drones to suspend a hammock in midair, eliminating the need for trees or other supports. Developed as part of a creative experiment and marketing stunt, this idea showcases the potential of drones in unique, non-traditional applications. Despite its intriguing appeal, the Flying Hammock Drone faces several technical challenges. Most current drones lack the power to safely support the weight of a person, and the noise produced by their operation could detract from the relaxation experience. The concept was prominently featured in a marketing campaign by the insurance company Central Beer, illustrating how technology can transform traditional notions of comfort and leisure, even if the practical application remains limited for now. eVTOL FlyNow. Air taxis are becoming a more realistic prospect, with a clear example being the futuristic eVTOL drone from FlyNow. This single-seater electric air taxi features 2 rotor blades, 8 electric motors, and batteries to power them. According to the company, future models will replace batteries with hydrogen energy sources, making them even more economically viable. In terms of specifications, the UAV can carry up to 790 pounds and reach speeds of up to 81 miles per hour. Its current battery capacity allows for a 30-minute flight. Thanks to vertical takeoff and landing capabilities, it can be used not only as a city taxi, but also in various scenarios, such as supplying sailors on container ships or evacuating the injured during rescue operations. FlyNow's innovation marks a significant step towards making air taxis a common mode of transportation, offering a versatile and eco-friendly alternative to traditional methods. As the technology evolves, we can expect to see more widespread adoption and an expanding range of applications for these cutting-edge aerial vehicles. Flying Gondola. The Flying Gondola is the latest innovation from the Japanese company Aeronex, a hybrid electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL vehicle designed for safe and comfortable air travel. This next-generation concept stands out for its unique design and advanced control system, setting it apart from other air transport vehicles. The main idea behind the Flying Gondola is to offer a smooth and stable flight experience. It incorporates 4D gravity technology, which adjusts the center of gravity to minimize vibrations and enhance passenger comfort. The vehicle is also equipped with 8 adjustable propellers mounted on inclined wings, optimizing flight efficiency. While the first prototype is built to carry a single passenger, future models are expected to accommodate multiple travelers, making the Flying Gondola a potential game-changer in personal air transportation. XXL Copter. The XXL Copter, developed by Andreas Johnson, is a remarkable custom-built drone designed specifically to carry a human. It features a robust propulsion system, including an Outrunner brushless motor, and is stabilized by the DJI Wukong M light controller, known for providing advanced flight stabilization. The Wukong M controller plays a critical role in ensuring the drone's stability, especially when dealing with the additional weight of a passenger. Johnson's XXL Copter has successfully demonstrated its ability to safely lift and transport a human, making it a standout example in the emerging field of manned drone technology. Videos from Johnson's channel showcase the copter in action, highlighting the precision of the Wukong M stabilizer and the smooth, controlled flight it enables, even under challenging conditions. This project marks an exciting leap forward in the world of drone innovation. DJI Agras T30 Drone. Introducing the DJI Agras T30, one of the most advanced agricultural drones on the market. Designed to optimize efficiency, the Agras T30 can carry a 30-liter payload of agricultural solution and cover up to 16 hectares in just 1 hour. Its intelligent system, powered by AI algorithms, ensures an optimal balance between fuel, battery levels, and the drone's recharging/refueling plan. This advanced technology reduces both costs and time by making the spraying process faster and more efficient. The Agras T30 can reach a maximum height of 30 meters and fly at speeds of up to 10 meters per second, with a processing speed of 7 meters per second. These features allow it to cover large areas effectively, making it a powerful tool for modern farming. Whether it's spraying crops or managing large fields, the DJI Agras T30 offers a high-tech solution to enhance agricultural productivity. Drone PD6B-AW Arm. Engineers from the Japanese company Drone have introduced the PD6B-AW Arm, a drone equipped with robotic arms designed for intricate operations. This drone's capabilities are truly remarkable. Its claws can perform a variety of tasks, such as delivering water and flotation devices, carrying objects like metal chairs, and even perching on railings with precision. The PD6B-AW is engineered to handle complex operations in challenging environments. It has a payload capacity of 20 kilograms, with its robotic arms able to lift around 10 kilograms. It can fly for up to 30 minutes at speeds of 60 kilometers per hour on a single charge. This makes it a versatile tool for performing tasks at great heights or in dangerous areas where human intervention would be risky. Its potential applications range from cargo retrieval and cable cutting to turning handles, flipping switches, dropping rescue buoys, and even extracting hazardous materials. Whether it's assisting in rescue operations or performing maintenance in hard-to-reach places, the Drone PD6B-AW Arm opens up a world of possibilities for drone-based solutions. Volo Drone. At the National Aviation Conference in Berlin, Volo Copter and DB Schenker introduced their groundbreaking cargo drone, the Volo Drone, designed for fast and eco-friendly transport. Standing 2.15 meters tall with a 9.15 meter diameter, this UAV has a takeoff weight of 600 kilograms and can carry a 200 kilograms payload over a distance of approximately 40 kilometers. The Volo Drone is fully electric, equipped for autonomous flights beyond the line of sight, and capable of vertical takeoff and landing. This innovation opens up numerous possibilities for cargo transportation in difficult-to-reach areas, such as mountainous regions, disaster-stricken zones, and even for urban deliveries. The collaboration between Volo Copter and DB Schenker marks a major step towards greener, more efficient transport solutions, positioning the Volo Drone as a potential game-changer in urban logistics and emergency relief operations. Lift Aircraft. Lift Aircraft is revolutionizing personal air transportation with its flagship development, the Hexa. This compact electric drone, equipped with 18 rotors, is designed for simplicity and accessibility. Remarkably, the Hexa can be flown without a pilot's license or prior training, as it's controlled via voice commands. A full battery charge allows for 15 minutes of flight at cruising speed, after which the aircraft will automatically descend if the pilot doesn't land. In case of a motor failure, Hexa can still land smoothly using the thrust from the remaining rotors. While the failure of all rotors is highly unlikely, the engineers added a ballistic parachute for maximum safety. To avoid interfering with other aircraft, the flight height is artificially limited, which is another reason why no special license is required. This low barrier to entry makes flying the Hexa an appealing option for those who want to experience the future of personal aviation without the complexities of traditional flight training. Tetra Aviation Mk5. Tetra Aviation, a pioneering Japanese company, has unveiled the Tetra Mk5 flying car, an innovative solution for personal air transportation. This remarkable vehicle is a single-seat vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL air vehicle. Designed to compete in the Go Fly competition sponsored by Boeing in 2020, where it clinched the grand prize of $1 million. Key features of the Tetra Mk5 include a maximum speed of approximately 160 kilometers per hour and an impressive flight time of around 1 hour. Its compact design allows for operations on limited landing sites, while its multi-rotor configuration provides exceptional maneuverability. The Tetra Mk5 showcases a thoughtfully crafted design and cutting-edge technologies, equipped with multiple electric motors that enable vertical takeoff and substantial travel distances on a single charge. The primary aim of the Tetra Mk5 is to serve as a personal transportation vehicle for short trips, particularly in sparsely populated urban areas. Flying motorbike, Xturismo. The Japanese have introduced a groundbreaking flying motorcycle that is now available for purchase at a price of $680,000. Ali Technologies has officially launched sales for the limited edition flying motorcycle, known as the Xturismo. Unlike many modern flying vehicles, the Xturismo is powered by a classic internal combustion engine, which drives its two main rotors. Auxiliary rotors, utilizing technology previously tested on drones, help maintain balance and execute various maneuvers. The Xturismo boasts a maximum payload of 300 kilograms, weighing the same amount itself. It can reach a maximum speed of 100 kilometers per hour, with a flight duration of up to 40 minutes. Engineers behind this flying motorcycle assert that it's not just an expensive toy, it has practical applications as well. Experts suggest that the Xturismo could be particularly useful in water rescue operations, highlighting its versatility and potential impact. SkyDrive SD-03. The Japanese startup SkyDrive has introduced the SD-03 flying car, a cutting-edge solution for the future of urban transportation. This single-seat vertical takeoff and landing VTOL air vehicle is equipped with 8 electric motors, designed specifically for autonomous flights at low altitudes and speeds. With compact dimensions of 4 meters in length, 4 meters in width, and 2 meters in height, the SD-03 can easily navigate urban environments and utilize existing infrastructure. Its electric drive system ensures high efficiency and minimal emissions, adhering to modern environmental standards. A standout feature of the SD-03 is its vertical takeoff and landing capability, making it suitable for use on building rooftops or specialized landing pads. SkyDrive is proactively addressing safety concerns by integrating backup systems and automatic flight control, ensuring a secure flying experience for its users. Bellwether eVTOL. Bellwether's eVTOL represents the future of urban air mobility with its sleek design and advanced technology. This electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft is designed for efficient and quiet urban transportation. It features a compact, stylish form factor ideal for navigating cityscapes. Powered by electric motors, the eVTOL offers a sustainable alternative to traditional transport, boasting zero emissions. The aircraft can accommodate up to 2 passengers and achieves a top speed of 135 km per hour. Its advanced flight control system ensures stability and safety, making it accessible even to those without pilot experience. Bellwether's eVTOL aims to revolutionize urban travel, providing a fast, eco-friendly solution to traffic congestion and reducing the environmental impact of city commuting. Venturi Flying Car. Venturi EDF ducted fans enable drones to perform vertical takeoff and landing with minimal noise levels. They were successfully tested on an eVTOL prototype, a 2-seater aircraft called Formula eVTOL. The secret to its quiet operation lies in the dual-structure design. The internal part houses the engine and propellers, while the external part has additional channels for airflow passage. Similar designs are used in airliner fans. Thanks to these channels and the expanding rear section, the airflow disperses more smoothly, dampening sound vibrations and reducing noise levels. This ensures that flights over the city won't disturb residents. The innovative design of Venturi EDF ducted fans marks a significant advancement in urban air mobility, providing a quieter and more efficient solution for vertical takeoff and landing drones. As the technology continues to develop, we can expect even greater improvements in noise reduction and overall performance, making urban air travel more feasible and less intrusive.